Okay, so yeah, just before this video tutorial about the average function of Microsoft Excel starts, I just wanted to quickly announce my course on Udemy, which you can enroll. You can find the link in the video description. There's also automatically a coupon code applied. If you're interested, just enroll into this course if you're intending to learn how to use Microsoft features, formulas, and functions. So yeah, now let's begin with the video. Okay, so yeah, hello and welcome to another YouTube video here on my channel. And in this video, I will quickly show you how to use the average function in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so as you can see, I've prepared a little bit. So I've prepared a little table, as you can see. So the column, so a table with the column A, B, and C. And I got different numbers. And to quickly explain the average function, let's quickly click on the field or the cell we want to insert the function. Go into formulas and then insert another function. And then just quickly look up for a function called average. So just as a normal word, you should know the average already as a normal word. So you can see it will just calculate the average of all those numbers we're going to insert. And as you can see, we can insert as many numbers as we want. So it can calculate the average. So in this case, I will use my number from here. And as the next number, I will use the number from the B column. And as the next and last number, I will use the number from the C column so the first one. And as you can see, I can use as many as I want because it grades down, but in this case I will just use 3. So in this case I will just hit OK, and as you can see, it successfully printed out or calculated the average of those two numbers. And now you maybe think, to insert this again, I have to go right here, then just an average, and then just write the numbers again right here. No, you can just click right here, and then you should find a little of a green dot right here, and you just have to click this little dot and move him down exactly where you want to have those functions. And then it should look like this, and it automatically applied those things right there, as you already can see right here. So as you can see, I've counted or calculated the average of those 3 numbers, those 3 numbers, those 3 numbers, those 3 numbers, and those 3 numbers. And as you can see, I got the exact average of the numbers. And what's the cool thing? Instead of using just normal numbers, what I can now do, in this case, I can change this number, for example, to 30, and as you can see, the average also changes. And here I can also do it to 10, then it's maybe that you can see the solution. So 10, and then right here 10, so the average is going to be 10. And if I change this, for example, to 15, the average should be something like 11.666, and so on, as you can see. So this is basically how you use the average function. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this little YouTube tutorial helped you a little bit more for understanding how to exactly use the average function. And if you're interested in exactly learning how to use formulas and functions in Microsoft Excel, I can recommend you to enroll into my course, which is linked down below in the video description. It also automatically applies a coupon code for you, so you can get the course for a little bit less amount of money. So if you're interested, just to say, so yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe and like this video. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.